Hey, welcome to M Puzzles and Builds. In this video, we're going to be doing the last of the jigsaws from the May haul. This one is the 500 piece Cobblestone Alley corner piece jigsaw puzzle. Now, if you've been watching my videos regularly, you'll know that I've done a couple of other corner piece jigsaws. These can be bought at the works in the UK. Outside of the UK, I'm not entirely sure. But something else that's really interesting with this is it's not nature themed, which almost all of the other jigsaws I've done, if they're not Pokemon or Disney themed, have been nature themed. I think only one other one hasn't been. So it's going to be interesting putting one together like this. This Cobblestone Alley has a ton of detail. I think it looks amazing. So for a 500 piece, I think this should hopefully not take too long to put together. Last one was just under 3 hours. Can I beat that? Let's find out. Let's get started. Here we go. Update time. The border is basically done. There's one piece that's not in place. It's right here actually. So let's just pretend that one's taking time. So, border is done. Done some extra stuff along the way. Bit of chaos all around the sides, but in general, it makes sense to me. Like, this is all the built-in stuff. These are kind of plant bits, and these are the bits that are cobbles. I feel like once I get moving for the rest of this, it's not going to take long to do. Something that I've noticed that I'm really enjoying about this jigsaw so far is the pieces are of completely different sizes. Some pieces are absolutely massive, like this one. Some pieces are absolutely tiny, like this one. And you've got just a massive range of different pieces that are in it, which is making it really interesting. But yeah, let's continue. I'll try and do one more update before I finish, but let's see how it goes. Okay, time to do a little update here. 2 hours 35 minutes in. It's not that many pieces left. Still on target to beat the less than 3 hours. As long as I don't hang about on too many parts, I should manage this. Hopefully in the next 15 minutes. That's the goal now. Let's see how it goes. We did it! Less than 3 hours was the goal, and the better goal was to be quicker than the last corner piece jigsaw puzzle that I did, which was 2 hours 59 minutes. Smashed it, less than 2 hours 50 minutes. So happy with that. This jigsaw was really fun, quite challenging for some of the parts, but it looks really nice. It's totally different from pretty much any of the other jigsaws I've done. The different sized pieces was really unique. I think that's the first jigsaw I've done that has been like that. The constant detail everywhere in the picture, there was nowhere that didn't have something going on. It was really nice, and it made it quite easy to put together. I reckon if I was a bit less messy when I was putting all the pieces aside at the start of it, I probably would have had an even better time. But I can't complain, that was a really good time, and I had a good time doing the jigsaw. What did you guys think of it? The next video I'm going to be doing is the Lego Dobby build. Quite looking forward to seeing how that turns out. It's going to be interesting. You're going to be seeing things from a different angle rather than top down. It's going to be over the shoulder because it's obviously a build rather than a flat object. And it's actually going to be the third build on the channel. The first one was the table, the second one was the ship, and this one's going to be the first one that is Lego. So I'm looking forward to it. I've not done a Lego build since probably when I was a child, so this is going to be exciting. Hope to see you in the next one. Here's the close-up. Thanks, bye.